Well, the single most common cause that we run into is that a retaining wall has met its life expectancy and it's time to be replaced. So that would be the most common method, or common reason. The second most common reason is definitely installer error. So if if a retaining wall has been installed improperly, that's going to cause a failure almost guaranteed every time. Another cause of retaining wall failure will be accidents, acts of God, unintended stresses. An example of what that could be would be, let's say you have a retaining wall that's in someone's yard that was designed and installed to maybe just hold up the grass, and someone drives a heavy piece of equipment right behind the wall. That's it's creating an unintended load on the wall, and that can cause a wall failure. And we see that quite often as well.